Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a new theme on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on this three lines here, now click settings, and now click chat settings and click browse themes, and here you'll find it create a new theme. Just click on it and click here create theme, and that's it. Click create, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.